Robinhood entered the UK market recently, and rather quietly at that. In fact, you'd be forgiven for not even knowing that Robinhood was available in the UK at all. Let's review what Robinhood has to offer and what my plans are for using this platform. Hello and welcome back to the Dividend Experiment, the channel that helps you build a portfolio that pays your bills. The content that we discussed is intended for information and educational purposes only, and should not be considered investment advice or investment recommendation. In today's video, we're going to go into a quick overview of Robinhood, an established US investment app that only recently launched in the UK. Many folks are curious about what new features and functionality this app brings to the table, especially with established platforms like Trading 212 already popular in the UK. The goal of this video is to help you figure out if Robinhood is a good fit for your investment needs. I'll also touch on important stuff like whether or not it makes investing a smooth experience. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear idea of whether Robinhood is worth checking out for your investing journey. What is Robinhood UK? First things first, let's talk about what Robinhood actually is. Robinhood is an online investment platform that aims to make investing accessible to everyone. Launched on March 19, 2024, it gained some popularity for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading. Essentially, it allows you to buy and sell a variety of stocks without paying any commission fees. Key features of Robinhood UK. Here are some of the key features that Robinhood offers. Commission-free trading. This is perhaps the most attractive feature of Robinhood UK. Unlike older traditional brokerage platforms that charge hefty commission fees for every trade you make, Robinhood UK allows you to trade stocks without incurring any fees. This can save a significant amount of money in the long run, especially if you're a frequent trader. Fractional shares. Ever wanted to invest in a stock like Amazon or Google but couldn't afford the hefty price tag? Well, with Robinhood UK, you can. The platform offers fractional shares, which means you can buy a piece of a share for as little as you want. This opens up a world of investment opportunities for those with limited capital. Although this is a good feature, this isn't something particularly new or innovative, and multiple brokerages or investment apps in the UK are able to offer fractional shares at this point. As a marketing point, it's a little late to the party realistically. User-friendly interface. Robinhood UK's interface is designed with simplicity in mind. Whether you're a beginner or experienced investor, you'll find the platform easy to navigate. The mobile app is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to trade on the go with just a few taps on your smartphone. In fact, it's so simple to use, it feels like there's some functionality missing. There's very little to do on the app, so there's less you can mess up or go wrong on there. This is good for beginner investors, but investors who are more intermediate level or want more from their platform will most likely feel like it's lacking in detail. Investment options. Robinhood UK offers a limited range of investment options, particularly US stocks. This gives you the flexibility to build a diversified portfolio tailored to your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. However, obviously it limits just how diverse you can make your portfolio without access to other asset classes or UK listed stocks. The sign-up offer. You can get your hands on a free share valued up to $175 with Robinhood UK. You just follow some simple steps. First, sign up. Second, verify your ID. Third, deposit as little as £1 via bank deposit. And finally, you can claim your free share. It's as straightforward as that. Now, the catch here is it's the classic case of up to, and here's what the breakdown actually looks like. The reward value you receive could be anywhere between $7 and $175. Keep in mind that approximately 96% of participants will receive a reward having a value from $7 to $8 that you can use to claim a share or fractional share of a stock. So we can imagine that if you have average luck, you're probably going to only be receiving a free share worth about $7.50, or in pounds that comes to about £6. It's nice to get for free for sure, but not super exciting as an offer, though luckier people can get more, which makes it more interesting somewhat. Pros and cons of Robinhood UK. There is no perfect investment platform. Each of the platforms has its own pros and cons, and it's really up to the investor what kind of platform will suit their needs and their investment style. Now, if we take a closer look at some of the cons of Robinhood UK. Limited research tools. While Robinhood UK offers basic research tools such as stock charts and news feeds, it lacks the robust research capabilities of some other platforms. This may be a drawback for investors who rely heavily on in-depth analysis for their investment decisions. Limited customer support. Some users have reported issues with customer support, citing long response times and difficulty reaching a resolution to their inquiries. Improved customer support services could enhance the overall user experience. My own experience of it so far is that no query was resolved within a day, which might be more problematic if there were more serious things I was asking about, but fortunately they were more low priority. Limited investment offerings. While Robinhood offers a variety of investment options, it offers 6,000 global companies listed in the US market, it may not have the same breadth of offerings as some other platforms. Investors with specific investment preferences may find the selection somewhat limited. So, will Robinhood UK take over Trading212's position as investment app of choice? I still believe Trading212 is the best investment app for the majority of users and majority of use cases out there. It's not about tearing down Robinhood UK's reputation, but rather about highlighting areas where the platform falls short and where it could improve for a better user experience. In a lot of the areas that Robinhood falls short, Trading212 simply does it better. Educational resource. Trading212 has a bunch of educational resources to help all kinds of investors and traders, and they've got easy to follow guides on investing in different things like stocks and bonds, perfect for beginners. Plus, there are videos showing you how to use platform and smart trading strategies. And if you want to stay in the loop on what's happening in the finance world, they've got articles and blog posts for that. Basically, Trading212 wants to make sure their customers have the know-how to make smart investment choices and do well in the market. Product offering. Trading212 offers way more options, while Robinhood UK is more focused on US stock, and especially the top of the S&P 500. In comparison, Trading212 offers 12,000 global stocks and ETFs, whereas Robinhood only offers 6,000. Customer support. Trading212 is now known for its responsive customer support. Prompt and helpful customer service can be crucial, especially for new investors or those encountering issues with their accounts. User interface. This is quite a subjective one, but despite there being more options available, some people think that using Trading212 is easier than using Robinhood UK, and there are a few reasons for this. First, Trading212 looks neat and tidy so you can focus on what's important without being distracted by clutter. It's also easy to move around the app and find what you're looking for without getting lost. Plus, it presents information like market data and account details in a way that's easy to understand, helping you make better decisions. The design stays consistent throughout the app, so you always know where things are, and it works well on different devices like phones and computers. In the end, a user-friendly interface like this makes trading smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Sign-up bonus. As I mentioned earlier, on average, a user with average luck will get about £6 or so on Robinhood, whereas the odds of getting a slightly higher value on Trading212 seem more promising. I would guess closer to 12 or 13, but I can't be bothered to do the actual calculation. If you work it out, welcome to post in the comments below. Here's the breakdown on Trading212. One downside is that the invite a friend offer is only temporarily available. However, the good news is that I asked Trading212 if they could give me a unique code that you guys can simply type into the promo code section, capital at risk. If you've opened a new account recently or planning to open an account, then here it is. DivXP or DIVEXP, short for the Dividend Experiment. So you have 10 days from opening your account to type this in and receive shares worth up to £100. I also get something as this is my custom code, so this helps you support the channel too. Ultimately, in my opinion, and it is just my opinion, Robinhood doesn't come close to unseating Trading212 as top recommendation for a majority of users, and essentially never will unless it offers an ISA, which I don't think it will, and allows for UK stocks to be held on the platform. People have been waiting a long time for Robinhood to arrive in the UK. I remember signing up to a waitlist probably around 2018, I think, when I found out about it in the USA, but the launch has been a little disappointing, as the availability of other options has greatly improved since then, and the UK offering seems to be a little neutered compared to what's available in the US. Perhaps it will improve over time, but for now it's not overly exciting, and my plan has simply been to get the free share and play around to test it out for you guys so far. Not currently seriously considering it as an option personally. If you liked this video, and if you made it this far, I'm guessing you probably did, then I have some good news for you. I'm giving away my PDF guide to the 10 dividend investing commandments, or the criteria that I use to pick dividend paying stocks, and I'm giving it away to you for free. All you need to do is submit your email in the link below and it'll get delivered to your inbox straight away. Again, that's for free. But that's not the only benefit of joining the email. You also get updates on the almost daily dividend portfolio, interesting stock ideas or news, and special deals and free stuff that I can share with you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you!